Yes, good morning class 5. Welcome to the offline class. In our yesterday's class, we have completed up to page number 172, Shantaram, a special cook. Up to that we have completed. Okay. So today we will start the new topic, that is years and years. So I am reading it. See, Sohan drinks 8 glasses of water every day. How many glasses will he drink in 1 month? That means you have to find it out. See, page 172. Sohan, per day he is drinking 8 glasses of milk. So for 1 month, how much he will drink? So it will be multiplied by 30, isn't it? In 1 month we have 30 days. So 8 3s are 24. That means 240 glasses of milk he is drinking in 1 month. Similarly, how many glasses will he drink in 1 year? So this 8 is multiplied by 365, because we know in 1 year we have 365 days, isn't it? So when you will multiply this one, let us multiply. 8 5s are 40, carry 4. 8 6s are 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, carry 5. 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. That means we are getting 2920 for 1 year. The glasses of water he is drinking is this much for 1 year. Now the question is, if 125 people living in a colony drink 8 glasses of water in a day, so how much water will they drink in 1 year? Now for 125 you have to find it out. That means you have to multiply 8 into 125. So 8 into 125, whatever the answer will be, that answer you have to multiply by 1 year. So just I am writing number of glasses of water drank by 125 people. Since number of glasses of water drank is equals to 8, or number of people is equals to 8. No, number of glasses of water drank by one person is equals to 8. Therefore, number of glasses of water drank by 125 people, that will be multiplied by 125 into 8. So 8 5s are 40, carry 4, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, carry 2. 8 1s are 8 plus 2, that means 1000. So 125 people, they are drinking 1000 glasses of water in that colony. Now you have to find out for 1 year. Similarly, number of glasses of water drank in 1 year, this will be multiplied by 1 year. That means 365,000 into 365. That means 365 and 3 zeros. So this much of the glasses of water is being drank by the colony in 1 year. In 1 year. So just think. Okay, now come to the next page, page 173. If Soha's heart beats 72 times in 1 minute, how much time does it beat in 1 hour? So in 1 minute, if it is 72 times, in 1 hour. In 1 hour means in 60 minutes. As we know that in 1 hour we have 60 minutes, isn't it? So this 72 is to be multiplied by 60. So you do it of your own. Okay. Now come to the next one. Now find out how many times it beats in 1 day. Now for 1 day, how many times? As you know, for 1 day we have 24 hours, isn't it? So whatever the answer is coming, if we are multiplying by 24, that answer we are getting for 1 day. First of all, you will find for 1 hour, then you will find for 1 day. Okay. Now count your own heartbeats to find out how many times your heart beats in 1 week. So this is an activity you can do of your own. You count your own heartbeat. Okay. Yes, now come to question number C. A baby elephant drinks around 12 liters of milk every day. How much milk will it drink in 2 years? So let us do this one. This is all about a baby elephant. Page number is 173 and question number is C. So a baby elephant drinks 12 liters of milk 1 year. So what you will write? Milk consumed in 1 day is equals to 12 liter. Therefore, milk consumed in 1 year. 1 year, first of all, you have to find it out, isn't it? So what you will do, first of all, no, first you find for 2 years. In 2 years. Now 2 years means 365 into 2, isn't it? 2 years means 365 into 2. That means it is 365 into 2 means 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 6s are 12, 13, carry 1, 2 3s are 6, 7. That means for 730 days. So here you write for 2 years is equals to 12 into 730. 12 liter into 730. Okay. So multiply it, you will get the baby elephant is consuming the milk in 1 day. Let us multiply. 2 zeros are 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. 0, 3, 7. 0, 6, 7 and 8. That means 8,760 liters of milk the baby elephant is consuming in 2 years. So the answer you will write, the baby elephant drinks 8,760 liters of milk in 2 years. The baby elephant drinks 8,760 liters of milk in 2 years. Okay. Now come to question number D. Question number D is a baby blue whale drinks around 200 liters of milk in 1 day. Just imagine how much milk that is. 200 liters of milk for 1 day, a baby whale. Find out in how many days your family would use 200 liters of milk. So just can you imagine for 200 liters of milk, how much your family will consume this 200 liters of milk? Just imagine, okay. Now how much milk would the baby blue whale drink in 8 months? You have to find out for 8 months, isn't it? So as you know, for 1 day it is 200 liters. So for 1 month means you have to multiply by 30. So for 1 month, what amount of milk she is drinking? So that you will find out, and then after that you will find for 8 months. Okay. So let us do this one. This is page 173 and question number D. So you will write milk consumed in 1 day is equals to 200 liters, isn't it? Therefore, milk consumed in 1 month, that is 30 days, is equals to 200 multiplied by 30. That means 2 3s are 6, 1 2 3 zeros. So this much milk for 30 days. Then similarly, milk consumed for 8 months. So for 1 month we have found, now for 8 months. So this is to be multiplied by 8. 6 8s are 48 and 1 2 3 zeros. So this much of the amount the whale is drinking for 8 months. So you will write the whale drinks, the baby whale. The baby whale drank 48,000 liter of milk in 8 months. In 8 months. Okay. So this is up to question number D we have completed. Now come to the next one. Karuna, the landlord. Karuna bought 3 fields. Now you can see in the picture there are 3 fields and the length and breadth is given. For field A, the length is 28 meter, the breadth is 27. For field B, the length is 36 and the breadth is 12. For field C, the length is 27 meter and the breadth is 19 meter. Okay. So based on this, there are some questions in page 174. Come to page 174. Find the area of all the 3 fields. Now you have to find the area. Again, we are coming in the same thing, that is area and its boundary. So how you will find the area? By multiplying length into breadth. So quickly multiply the area for field A. The area for field A. So first one, area of field A. What you will do? You have to multiply, that is 28 into 27. Whatever the answer you are getting, that will be the area for field A. It is square meter. Okay. Second one, for area of field B. This also the same thing. For field B, 36 into 12. 36 into 12. This is square meter. And similarly, third one, area of field C. It will be 27 into 19. So these are the different areas of field A, B and C. Now the question is, he bought field A at the rate of rupees 95 for a square meter, field B at the rate of rupees 110 for a square meter and field C at the rate rupees 120 for a square meter. Yes, then you have to find the rate of the fields. Okay. So for field A, it is rupees 95. So what is the cost? What is the cost of the fields? So let us find it out. So for this, you have to multiply 28 into 27. The answer will be, you will multiply and then you will write the answer. I am writing directly. Okay. And for field B, area for field B, it will be 432 square meter, and area for field C, it will be 513 square meter. Now you have to find the cost. So you will write cost of field A is equals to, cost of field A is equals to, it is given here 95. So 756 multiplied by 95. You will multiply and you will get the answer as this is the cost for field A. Similarly, cost of field B. Field B, it is 432 and at the rate of 110. At the rate of 110. So when you will multiply, you will get the answer rupees 47,520. Okay. And next you have to find the cost of field C. It is given at the rate 120. So 513 into 120. This you will get rupees 1,000. Okay, these are the amount you have got for the 3 fields. So you will multiply and then you will write the answer. Clear? You will multiply and then you will write the answer. Next one. Find the cost of all the 3 fields. Now you have to find the cost of all these 3 fields. That means you have to add all the 3. Cost of field A plus cost of field B plus cost of field C. This will give you the total cost what he has spent on these 3 fields to buy the 3 fields. Okay. So students, today up to this only. Whatever we have done in this offline class, you will do it once more in the copy. Okay. So bye all of you. Goodbye and practice the maths.